Stop editing like it's 2016. Seriously, do you remember life before ChatGPT? Yeah, neither do I. Now you have a problem, you type it, it's solved. That's normal. So why are we spending days scrubbing through timelines, dragging clips, and hunting through menus? I used to spend an entire week just editing a 5-minute video. Now, 30 minutes, a few prompts later, done. So here is the truth. Your brain actually edits faster than your software. So you know exactly where the cut should be and where the text needs to go. But turning those instincts into actual edits, well, that's where you're going to lose an entire afternoon. Whether you're a pro or, let's say, a total beginner, the software is usually the bottleneck. Until now. This is Async's AI chat-based video editor, where you don't use tools, you use prompts. I've put a link for it down in the description so you can follow along. All right, let's build a viral reel from scratch. We're going to open up Async and click Video Editor, and you'll see here that you're going to be greeted by the chat. So I'm going to upload all my raw footage from Disney Sea Tokyo, and I want a high energy reel titled, "Is this the best theme park food in the world?" While these upload, Async isn't just storing the files, it's analyzing them. It actually listens to the audio and watches the video to understand the entire vibe. Now, watch this. Instead of dragging these clips onto the track here, I'm just going to type in my vision into the chat. So you want to start broad and strategic before getting very tactical. Now, if you do need help finding the words to describe what it is that you want, you can always ask the chat to write the prompt for you. However, I've got my prompt ready, so I'm just going to paste that in and send it over. So the AI editor, it's going to break it down and it's going to pitch us the edit idea back, and then we can confirm it or we can make tweaks. I'm happy with what it's suggesting, so I'm going to reply yes. While the AI generates draft 1, let's talk strategy. So right now, Instagram's algorithm, it's shifting. Reels with no speech but clear on-screen text are exploding because they're language agnostic, meaning they can go viral in Paris just as easily as New York City. But there is a trap. So if you use trending IG audio, it's risky. If your track gets flagged later on for copyright, your entire video gets muted and your reach dies, there's no fix. So I'm gonna give Async here a very complex command. I'm gonna ask it to remove all spoken audio, add text titles for every food item that I eat, and give each one a rating out of 5 based on my reaction. Now watch this. I didn't tell the AI what it was eating. It recognized the gyoza bun, the little green mochi from Toy Story, and the melon bun just from the frames. It synced the text perfectly, and it even pulled a rating just based off of my facial expression. Now that alone has just saved me 2 hours of manual captioning. The AI handles the heavy lifting, but I do still want this to look like my brand, so I'm just gonna hop into the text style tools here up in the top right, and now I can swap out the font to my signature style, and I can also tweak the colors. Okay, so our visuals, they're locked in, but wrong music here could kill the vibe, and usually that means hours of digging through royalty-free libraries just to avoid a copyright strike. We're skipping that. I'm just gonna type in, add an upbeat, bouncy song, and then the AI adds it instantly. Done. No menus, no copyright stress, and the video stays monetized. All right, now I'm happy with my viral reel. I'm just gonna export it, and then we can watch it back together. I mean, in under 10 minutes, we've gone from raw files to a polished, algorithm-optimized viral reel. So if you do want to give it a go yourself, I will leave a link down in the description, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!